Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at this stunning grey Porsche 911 GT3 RS. At first glance, its aggressive front design, sleek LED headlights, and low sporty stance immediately grab your attention. Standing inside this bright white showroom, the car looks even more premium and elegant. View. From this angle, you can really appreciate the sculpted body lines and aerodynamic shape. Every curve has been designed to improve performance while giving the car an unmistakable sports car appearance. The metallic gray paint shines beautifully under the showroom lights. Side view. Looking at the side profile, the GT3 RS has a perfect balance of style and performance. Moving to the back, the massive rear wing immediately becomes the center of attention. The slim LED taillights, sporty diffuser, and dual exhaust outlets complete the race-inspired design. Snow falling outside the showroom windows creates a beautiful contrast with the warm indoor lighting. From the rear angle, every detail reflects Porsche's racing heritage. The aggressive styling, wide stance, and aerodynamic elements make this one of the most recognizable sports cars in the world. Interior front. Let's step inside. The cabin is clean, modern, and completely focused on the driver. Premium leather and Alcantara materials, a sporty steering wheel, and supportive bucket seats create a luxurious yet performance-oriented atmosphere. The dashboard features a fully digital display with simple controls placed exactly where the driver needs them. Every button and screen is designed to keep your attention focused on the road. Interior, rear. Although the GT3 RS is built mainly for performance, the interior feels premium from every angle. The fine stitching, high-quality materials, and excellent craftsmanship showcase Porsche's attention to detail. Now let's take a look at the heart of this machine. The naturally aspirated flat-six engine is engineered for pure driving excitement. It delivers incredible performance, instant throttle response, and an unforgettable engine sound that every sports car enthusiast will appreciate. The lightweight alloy wheels perfectly match the aggressive character of the GT3 RS. Behind them, you'll notice the large high-performance braking system, designed to provide outstanding stopping power and complete confidence at high speeds. Full walkaround. As we take one final walk around the car, it's easy to understand why the Porsche 911 GT3 RS is admired around the world. It combines timeless design, cutting-edge engineering, and track-inspired performance in one incredible package. you for watching. If you enjoyed this showcase of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next video.